Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm back in Palisades, New York. I was here about a year ago, and I am once again doing some existing condition drawings of a house for this project. I'm doing floor plans and RCPs. This is the, this is the south side of the house. So this house, this is a little bit of a handyman special. So great location, great bones, needs work. So let me walk inside a little bit. That was obviously the Hudson River out there. And then inside here. Let's see, this is a living area with vaulted ceilings. And then the house has multiple levels and multiple segments, I guess you'd say. Here's sunroom. There's a lower door. We're actually in kind of a lower level if you look outside. And I'll just go to this wing of the house and then wrap up the video. Here's another portion of the house. It goes downstairs. So there are a lot of stairs up and down. And as I was saying, the house is made up of a bunch of different levels. So this is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around. Thank you for viewing my video. And if you ever have need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in Palisades, New York, or somewhere upstate, Connecticut, of course, New York City and the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.